From the market, I bought large of egg. One tray large egg, it's 230 pesos. And I bought banana. This is 90 pesos. Wow, so expensive. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 10 peso each. Wow. I have here tokwa, for 25 pesos. And by the way, this is my string beans, huh? My plant string beans I harvested. And a small bell pepper. And I have my calamansi, mini lemon here in the Philippines. This is our mini lemon citrus. And I have here peanuts, local peanuts. This is good for snacking. I'm gonna boil it. Yeah, so and I bought chicken. This is for Casey. I'm going to cook Casey dog food. I'm adding chicken. And this one also is for Casey. I'm gonna cook them together. Chicken, pumpkin, and some spinach and rice. Okay, I have here tomatoes. I bought this for 32 pesos. Half kilo. And I have here broccoli. This is 47 pesos. Yeah, that's broccoli. And this is carrot. This is for Casey. I'm gonna add this on to her food, dog food. And garlic, ginger. Yeah, that's ginger. This is for me. I'm always drinking salabat in the morning. Ginger water. Huh? Ginger. Anyway. And I have here celery. Yeah, I'm adding this into our egg. Celery. And I have here cabbage. And this is my favorite, okra. Michael's not favorite. Michael's not eating okra. He hates okra. And I have here onion and garlic. And I have here cauliflower. Yeah, this is 37 pesos. Wow. The veggies now are cheap compared last month, December. And we have here cucumber. I bought cucumber and we are always eating cucumber every breakfast. Yeah, together with our egg. And cucumber is so very healthy. And it has a lot of fiber. You need to eat the skin because the fiber is in the skin. So just wash it properly. And antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. And we have here, I bought also potato. Yeah, and I'm always making a potato fries for Michael. I'm putting it in the air fryer. Yeah, air fried potato fries. He loves potato fries. For my market day today, in the morning, I'm usually going out around 5:30 a.m. and I'm back home around 6:10 a.m. And my budget is for 500 pesos. And I paid for all of this like 580 pesos. It's a lot. And yeah, it seems the veggies now are cheap compared last month. Gumagawa ako ng macaroni. Chicken macaroni salad. Ito ay prinito kong bacon. Kasi bukas, birthday ni Michael. So, gusto ko nang mag-prepare na, actually sinasabihan niya ako na, huwag ka na mag-prepare, sanay ako nang walang sa birthday ko, walang handa, kasi gano'n naman daw talaga sa Amerika. Sabi ko, andito ka sa Pilipinas eh. So, syempre, Filipina yung Jowowers. So, kailangan mag-prepare tayo. So, kahit ito lang, and gagawa ako ng burnt cake bukas. Ay, bukas ng madaling araw. And yun. So, ito yung aking chicken salad version. Nilalagyan ko ng bacon. Actually, nirequest niya yan kasi mas crunchy na bacon, mas masarap. So, dinadice ko siya, tapos ihalo ko lang siya doon. Tapos ito yung aking chicken, pinapakuluan ko. Ayun. Tapos gulay, prepare ko pa yung gulay. Lalagyan ko to ng celery and bell pepper. Ayun. So, yun. Dalawa lang naman kami, wala naman kaming bisita. So, gusto ko lang meron something special sa birthday niya bukas. And, yan. And meron na kaming gulay. So, initin ko lang yun. Madami akong nagawang gulay kahapon. So, yun. Itong aking snack. Boiled peanut.